AI agents clearly explained.
Not too technical, not too basic, just the clear, practical guide you need. Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence evolved from simply writing poems to planning entire workflows for you? Today, we are going to break down the 3 levels of AI intelligence. We will move from basic chatbots to fully autonomous agents, using simple, real-world examples to make everything crystal clear. Let us start with level 1, large language models, or LLMs. These are what most people picture when they hear the term AI. Think of ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude. These tools are powerful text generators. They can write essays, draft emails, or even create rap battles on demand. For example, if you ask one to draft a thank you note, it will do so instantly. But if you ask what meetings you have today, it will respond, "I do not know." Why is that? Because LLMs are passive. They only respond when prompted and have no access to your personal apps or context. Their main traits are limited knowledge of internal or personal data and a passive nature. They only act when you ask. Now let us move to level 2, AI workflows. This is where things get interactive. AI workflows involve stringing together multiple tools and prompts into a fixed pipeline. Imagine it like setting your coffee machine on a timer. You define the steps, and the machine just follows them. For instance, every morning at 8 o'clock, you could set up a workflow to grab new article links, summarize them using Claude, draft a social media post, and schedule it. The logic here is human-defined. These workflows are smart, but still rule-based. They boost productivity, but they rely on you to design and maintain the logic. If you want to change the tone, you edit the prompt. If you want to skip certain URLs, you add a condition. The workflow will only do exactly what you tell it to do. Now comes level 3, AI agents. These are not just smart, they are goal-oriented. You give them an objective, and they figure out the steps themselves. For example, suppose your goal is to post a high-performing LinkedIn update based on the top 5 news stories. A workflow would just follow the steps you set. But an agent would choose where to extract content, summarize the articles, critique its own post, adjust the tone, and decide the best time to post, all without you prompting each move. This is called the REACT framework. Reason, execute, analyze, correct, and try again until the goal is met. AI agents operate in an autonomous loop. They plan, act, learn, and refine. This leads to emergent decision-making, where the agent adapts and improves as it works toward your goal. Let us look at a real-world example. In a test, Andrew Ng's agent was given a simple instruction: find a skier in this video. There were no steps or labels, just a goal. The agent reasoned what a skier looks like, scanned the footage, identified relevant scenes, and returned the results, all on its own. This demonstrates reasoning, acting, and iterating in action. To sum up, level 1 LLMs are smart but limited and reactive. Level 2, workflows, connect AI to tools, but you are still the boss. Level 3, agents, are autonomous. They plan, act, and optimize. If you would like a hands-on tutorial to build your own AI agent using tools like LangChain, OpenDev and drop a comment below. If this video helps simplify the AI chaos, consider liking and subscribing. See you in the next one.